Some communities look great on paper. Legado West actually feels like a home. From top schools to modern parks to builders like Pulte and David Weekley, this is where design meets lifestyle. I'm Megan Williams with Blue Collar Homes, and in this video, we'll explore what makes this Queen Creek neighborhood one of the most livable and well-designed neighborhoods in the area. Whether you're relocating, upsizing, or just curious about what new construction really looks like here in the East Valley, Legado West should be on your must-see list. Reach out anytime, call or text, and I'll help you navigate every step from that lot selection to closing. Because after 17 years in the business and time spent working for a builder myself, I know exactly how to make your new purchase work for you. This is Pulte's new phase at Legado West, where modern design meets livable comfort. Think large grape rooms, hidden flex spaces, and one seriously stunning kitchen island that will make you fall in love.
We'll walk through 4 beautiful models, the Avellino, Prato, Ravenna, and Messina, each showing a different take on how Arizona families are living right now. Plus, I'll show you why multi-gen living, aka the casita or mother-in-law suite, isn't just trendy, it's redefining the way people buy homes here. Before we even step inside friendly PSA, don't walk into a builder's model without your own agent. Builder sales reps are great, but they work for the builder. Once you sign in without representation, your realtor can be locked out. Jason and I help our buyers negotiate lot premiums, find hidden builder incentives, and protect you through every phase of the build. And the builder pays our fee, not you. So text me before you tour. It can literally save you thousands and a few gray hairs. Before helping families find homes across Arizona, I actually worked for a builder, so I know how the game works. I know what's worth upgrading, which free incentives are real versus marketing, and what floor plan features actually add resale value. So when I walk these models, I'm looking at how they live, not just how they look. Legado West is one of those communities that still feels like a neighborhood. Families outside, kids riding bikes, neighbors chatting on the driveway. You've got walking trails, playgrounds, a half basketball court, and plenty of green space for dogs or weekend picnics. The HOA's about $120 a month and keeps everything looking sharp year-round. Living here means you're minutes from everything you actually need. Queen Creek Marketplace is just down the road for Target, Sprouts, coffee shops, and local restaurants. Head north and you're at Santan Village in Gilbert for shopping and nightlife. If you travel for work, Mesa Gateway Airport is 10 to 15 minutes away, and Sky Harbor runs about 45 to 55 minutes. Working in Chandler's Tech Corridor? That's a 25 to 30 minute commute, super doable. Downtown Phoenix or Tempe runs closer to 40 to 50, depending on rush hour, and weekends are the best part. Hike Santan Mountain, hit Gilbert Regional Park for concerts and splash pads, or catch a food truck Friday at Mansell Carter Oasis Park. Queen Creek is all about that room to breathe, but still close to everything kind of life. Meet the Avellino. About 2,430 square feet, 4 beds, 3 baths, starting around the low 600s, 30s. This is the one everyone asks about because of the all-gen suite. A private mini apartment right inside the home, bedroom, bathroom, and its own kitchenette. Perfect for parents, adult kids, or long-term guests. It's connected yet independent, so everyone gets their own space without feeling separate. Multi-gen living has exploded here in the East Valley, and it makes so much sense. Since COVID, we've seen more families wanting to live closer together for connection, for care, for flexibility. A casita or all-gen suite works for aging parents today, a guest wing tomorrow, or a home office next year. And from a builder's perspective, I can tell you these layouts resell incredibly well. They fit more lifestyles and age groups, so you get long-term value and options. Plus, you're not stuck with a cookie-cutter guest room. It's a fully livable space that adapts as your family does. The Prado comes in around 2,830 square feet. 4 beds, 3 baths, starting mid $650. Big open kitchen and great room downstairs with a flex space for an office or playroom. Upstairs, a huge loft for movie nights or a kid's hangout. It's bright, functional, and feels like a true family home. Not too big, not too small, just right. Then we've got the Ravenna, about 2,560 square feet, 4 beds, 3 baths, starting in the low 700s. This one's all about flow, tons of windows, natural light, and that easy indoor-outdoor connection Arizona is famous for. The primary suite is tucked away with a spa-style bath and a walk-in closet you could get lost in. It's elegant but comfortable for people who want a single-story feel with just the right amount of luxury. finally, the Messina, the largest of the bunch, almost 3,600 square feet, 5 beds, 4 baths, starting around $780,000. There's a guest suite downstairs, a massive open living area, and upstairs you get a huge loft plus 4 more bedrooms. The primary suite feels like a retreat, bright, spacious, and private. This is the dream home for large families or anyone who loves to entertain. Pulte's been building for over 70 years, more than 775,000 homes nationwide, and you see why they're trusted. Solid construction, functional layouts, and communities built around how people actually live. If you're moving to Arizona and want space, sunshine, and smart design, Legado West should definitely be on your list. You can call or text me at 480-618-1890 or visit findazvalleyhomes.com for more tours and neighborhood breakdowns.
If you're ready to explore Queen Creek's new construction options or just want the insider info on the builder's latest incentives, I'm here to help. Because I don't just sell new homes, I've worked for the builders before and I know how to help you get every advantage possible. Give me a call or text anytime and let's find your place in Arizona.